Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change a photo in a Canva template. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. Right, so to start with, we need to decide what sort of template we are going to use. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on templates. So you can explore all the different templates. There's loads to choose from. So have a scroll and see what you want to create. So for the tutorial today, I'm going to click on resume. And I'm going to have a look through the resumes and choose one. So maybe this one. So when you've found a template that you want to use, you're going to click on it and then click on customize this template. That will open up a new page in Canva where you can edit that template. So I'm going to change the photo here. So there's a photo of someone else there. So I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to edit it and delete it. So then I'm going to go onto the left hand side and click on uploads. So this is where you can upload a photo of yourself, or you can also search for photos in the photo tabs. So I already have a picture uploaded. So I'm going to click on it and drag it across into the photo section. And there I have changed the photo in my template. When I'm happy with that, obviously I could go ahead, if this was a real resume, I'd go ahead and change out all the other information, put the information about me, my job search, things like that. Then I would give my resume a name at the top so I know what it is when I download it onto my computer, and then I would download it. So clicking in the top right, clicking on download, and for something like a resume, you want to download it as a PDF. So when I'm happy, I'm going to click on download. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.